housewife with a career gap. I have no teaching experience, no knowledge of updated curriculum in Singapore, and I have no confidence to go back to my domain too. But still, I wanted to restart my career in tutoring, and I want to contribute to my family's financial stability. However, I have no one to guide me on where to start or how to begin. Does this sound like your story? You are not alone. I am Vanmati, Senior Career Counselor at Wordsmith Learning Hub, and I have exciting news for you. Wordsmith HTT offers a training on updated curriculum and mastering tutoring skills to help you to build a successful teaching career. No experience is required, no prior knowledge is required. All you must have is passion for teaching. With Wordsmith HTT support, you can earn $3,000 to $7,000 per month from your home. Remember, if you keep waiting, no one will come to you and help you for your career. You have to take the next step for yourself. So why waiting? Hurry up and register through this link below. Thank you.